Hello friends, we just practiced counting from 1 to 9, making towers from the number 1 to number 9. Now it's time for us to practice. First, I want you guys to make sure you have this worksheet for lesson 4, okay? And you are on side A. Lesson 4, side A. You can see 4A on the top. On the right here, we're going to write our name. My name is Mrs. Chow, so that's what I am going to write. You are going to write your first name with the capital letter in the beginning, okay? Now I am Kinder Zink. So I write Kinder, K-Z-N. That's zinc, that means zinc. Date, today's date is August. It's the 8th month of the year, and today is the 12th, 2020. Okay, now you can go ahead and pause the video and do this part. Write your name and the date. Don't forget your element. Now, circle question number 1. First, we're going to review writing our numbers. Number 1, 4, and 5. I'm going to write 1 and 4. 1 and 4. What do I write here? If you said 1, you're right. 1 and yes, 4. Did you see something? Okay, I see 1, 4. 1, 4. 1, 4. Is that a pattern? Yes, it is. Do you remember what pattern we call it? It has a name. If you said A-B pattern, you're right. It's A-B pattern. Let's move on to the next one. If you didn't finish writing 1, 4, now it's your turn to pause and practice. Okay, now we're going to move on to the next row. Practicing writing 1 and 5. 1, 5. Go down, go around, straight line. Go down. Go down, roll around, straight line. Okay, 1, 5. Is this a pattern too? Yes, it's another A-B pattern. Now pause the video and practice. When you're done with question number 1, circle question number 2. It says, color the towers. Start from the bottom. Hey, I know what to do. We practiced coloring the tower in lesson 2, right? And we practiced coloring the train yesterday. Now we're going to color the tower from 1 to 9. This is a little harder because we have bigger colors, not bigger numbers. Sorry guys. Okay, now we are going to start from the top or bottom? Bottom, you're right. We start from the bottom. This is number 1, so we're going to count 1. I'm going to make a dot when I count so I know where to color. Okay, this is number 1, so I count 1. That's only one I am going to color for this tower. All right, pause and practice. Color your number 1. Now let's move on to next one. I am going to switch color. You can use the same color or you can choose another color for the next tower. Number 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, so I'm going to color 2 towers from the bottom. Now pause and practice. Color the tower of 2. Next one is number 3. I am going to choose another color for 3. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So these are the 3 towers I am going to color. Go ahead, color your tower of 3. My friends, you have to make sure you count your tower, okay? You are not copying me, you're counting, so you're learning. Now go ahead and count your tower and color your tower. Next one, I'm going to go back to yellow. I am going to count from the bottom to top. Number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now I know we have to color these 4 squares from the bottom to the top. Okay, now you can go ahead and count your own tower, make the marks, and then go ahead and color them. If you didn't finish yet, pause and practice. Finish up. Next one, number 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the squares I am going to color. Number 5. Now you can go ahead and count your tower from the bottom to the top. Count number 5 and make marks so you know which ones to color. Awesome, this is very nice coloring. Because I stayed in line, I have 1 stroke out, but it's okay. I tried my best though. Pause and practice, make your number 5. Next one, number 6. Let's count from the bottom to the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, these are the squares I am going to color. Now go ahead and count your tower from the bottom to the top to 6. Mark them and color your towers. Color the tower of 6. Awesome, this is my tower of 6. Pause and practice, make your own tower of 6. Next one, number 7. I'm going to use yellow again. We're going to count from the bottom to the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Go ahead and color 7 squares. Make sure you color all the white area and stay in line. Here we go. Okay, go ahead and pause and practice. Color 7, the tower of 7. Next one, number 8. Let's count from the bottom to the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, these are the squares I am going to color. Sometimes I color each cube separately, each square separately, but I think that's a little slow, so I choose to make dots on the squares that I want to color and then just color this way. I think it's way faster this way. But make sure when you see a dot and there's no dot here, you're gonna stop right here, okay? And fill in all the blanks. I love 3-star coloring. Stay in line, fill the white space, and use the right color. Last one, number 9. I'm going to switch back to green. Let's count from the bottom to the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I'm going to color 9. We color in line. Remember to cover the entire white area. Oopsie, I think I made a mistake. I went too far on the top. So I will try to erase it off. Sometimes we do make mistakes, right? All better. That's number 9. Now pause and practice. Pause the video and make your number 9 on your worksheet. Okay, that's all for today's classwork, my friends. Good job!